All right, pause deadlift. This one is phenomenal. I use this a lot to build my deadlift up. It's really good to kind of just feel positions too, particularly the ones where you reach either sticking points or certain points that you may have struggle on specifically towards your own anatomy or your own skill set. It is going to be done either from sumo or conventional. I probably pick the one that you usually deadlift with. And I'm going to basically pause right below my knee for a few seconds, probably for a count of 3, maybe longer, maybe a little less. I'm going to bring it back up. You can pause up here too before I bring it back down. Sometimes you can even do a double pause. You can pause on the concentric, which is the way up, and you can pause on the eccentric, which is on the way down. So I'm going to get into position, nice and long with my arms. I'm going to be very engaged with my core. I want to use my legs. I think about leg pressing the ground away from me on the first half. And I'm going to pause right here. Now I'm going to do a count of 3. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. From this point, I'm going to think about driving my hips forwards towards the camera as I lock out my knees. You can take a little count here just to engage your core and your glutes. You're going to go through your hip hinge. If you want to do a double pause, it would be about here for another 3 count. In our case, we're doing a single pause, so we're going to bring it back down. So I'm going to come back up. Deep breath in, core engaged, drive the legs. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, hips through, hip hinge, knee bend. Really, really good to feel at those 2 different positions, the leg drive part and the hip drive part. And once you kind of feel those 2 positions out, you want to smoothen it out as you go back to your regular deadlift. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.